With CSA coming down on fleets for poor vehicle maintenance, it is imperative that you keep your trucks looking well maintained. That is why Shrader Tire Oil now offers the exclusive Thermobrite-3 rim restoration service. This fast turnaround process is available in multiple colors at all Shrader Tire Oil locations throughout Ohio, Michigan, and Indiana. Follow us as we take you through our 6-step rim reconditioning process. First, the incoming rims are placed in the thermal burn-off oven, reaching temperatures high enough to remove and vaporize all foreign organic material, without ever compromising the integrity of the rim. Rims are then allowed to cool for several hours. Next, the cooled rims are taken to the shot blasting station. Here they are bead blasted to remove the remainder of stubborn rust that was not removed by the oven. This automated step takes only minutes. After being shot blasted, rims are visually inspected for worn-out bolt holes, ensuring only safe rims are returned to service. A powder rust preventative primer is then applied and cured, followed by a final powder coat with your color of choice, whether it's black, white, red, gray, or blue. Coated rims are now sent through the curing oven by a powered monorail, where they will hang until completely dried. Customers can expect a 24-month average life cycle with this process. Finished Thermobrite-3 rims are subjected to a final inspection before being palletized and shrink-wrapped, ensuring your complete satisfaction, which is our #1 priority. Allow our experienced fleet consultants to demonstrate our superior customer service and enhance your fleet management strategy. Contact Shrader today by calling 800-589-6589 or visit us online at ShraderTireAndOil.com to receive a free quote and current pricing on Thermobrite rims. Shrader Tire and Oil, your trusted truck tire and lubricant specialist since 1948.